Happy New Year, y'all guys. I hope you're doing well. I know the video is late, but as it is a new year, so with new consistency, I will try to upload each and every week. I promise. So, in this video, we will be making the tokonoma, that is IE, painting section of our Japanese room. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. Select the floor. First we'll align the floor to the edge, which is this edge. As you can see, it's not aligned correctly. To do that, select the floor, which is green mat, and now go into the edit mode by pressing tab. Press 3 for face selection. Select all these faces. And change our snap target to edge. It might be increment, it might be face, but change it to edge. And now press G, and by pressing X you will lock our movement to X-axis. Bring our cursor in this line, on this line, and press Shift tab to snap it. And now press 2 for edge selection. Select all these edges and press Shift D to make a duplicate out of it. Right click to leave it at its place and press P to make a selection out of it. Now we will tab out of our green mat, select our green mat 001 and press F2, and we will name it to cupboard. C-U-P-B-O-A-R-D, cupboard.
Mutella.
What's the word?
Peanut butter.
Now we'll select our cupboard and we'll go into our edit mode by pressing tab. Select everything and press E to extrude it, and press X to lock the movement of our extrusion. And if you see this edge, the front side, we'll press Shift tab to snap it. As you can see, this is how it will look from every side. Select everything by pressing A, and now press 3 to be in the face selection mode, and now press E to extrude them. And we will bring our cursor to our edge of the floor here and press Shift tab to snap them. Now by pressing Alt key, we'll press 2 first. Now press Alt key and press this edge. It will help us select our whole edge, and press Ctrl B to bevel it. We'll give it a width of 0.02. And now we will isolate our cupboard by pressing forward slash. Press 3 for face selection, and with holding Shift key we'll select our faces, which I have selected. You guys also select all these faces. And now in the mesh option we will go to separate and select our selection. Now our cupboard is separated from our cupboard 001. We will name it to flower vase, or else painting section. Tab out of it and select our painting section, isolate it, and now tab into our painting section, press 2 for edge selection, and we'll select these two edges and press F to fill it. You can see how it will look. Forward slash to unisolate it, if it's a word, I don't know. And now let's check the image for a second. It's a little cupboard here, a wall is inside. It's like, wait, almost in the end. Okay, this is our plank here. It's easy. Now press 3 to go into our face selection mode. Select our top face and we will go in the front view mode. Wait, yes, this is fine. And now we will extrude it. This is fine. So what we need to do right here is we will select our painting section and go into the edit mode, select our top face and press E to extrude it. But before that we will change our snap section to edge, and now again we'll press E to extrude it, and we'll bring our cursor to on the top wall or the topmost edge of our wall and press shift tab to snap it. Now to make this plank, it's pretty easy. All we need to do is we'll press Ctrl R for edge loop and we'll bring our edge loop here, and again Ctrl R here and go for our edge loop again, which is here. Let me just see. Yes, kind of fine. Yes, this is fine. And now to make it hollow, we'll select our face by pressing 3. We'll press 3 to go into the face selection mode, and we will select our front face, press X to delete it, and press select our this face if you want, and we'll press delete it again. No, it's fine. It's better if you leave it like this. It's fine. Now we will press 2 to go into the edge selection mode. We'll select this edge, we'll select this edge and the edge which is directly opposite to it by pressing shift and press F to fill it. So now it will become something like this. Same thing we'll do down. Press select this edge and we'll select this edge and press F to fill it. Let me isolate it so we can get a good look at it. So this is how this looks, and yes, see. So this is our place where we will keep our vase. This is the place where we will hang our calligraphy, and this is our wall, and this is our wooden plank. I will just now isolate this one. See, this is how it looks from top, bottom. So thank you for watching the video. I hope you're enjoying this Japanese room design series, guys. And I know I post the videos late. I am actually kind of a little lazy these days. So stay tuned for part 6, and if you like this video, do share it and sub to my channel. Thank you guys. Bye bye.